All right, folks, the 6-week grind begins. I've got 41 days to turn this service body into something that resembles a race car and get it to Florida for 6 weeks. Blower. Did I mention I'm doing this in my driveway while I'm watching my kids? So we got to pull the motor and transmission. We got to build the motor, place the clutch, possibly build the transmission. We've got a locker to go in the rear 14 bolts. Replace the windshield. It's got a slight crack in it. I got new wheels and tires coming. You guys are gonna like those. Did I mention that I've never actually been on a drag strip before? Oh yeah, one other important thing. Blower. I'm pretty sure this is the original motor and never been touched, but it's about to get touched. It's been a minute since I pulled a distributor, but I don't recall one ever being that dirty. So it's day 2 of 6-week prep. Remember yesterday when I said I had like 41 days? Subtract a week from that and that's really how much time I have. So here's where we're at. Need to get the engine and transmission out this morning quickly. Chances of me getting this out before the rain starts are about small. So you can see the motor's gone. I didn't do a lot of filming because I'm trying to beat the rain. So now we're gonna start tearing that apart, cleaning it up, getting it ready for a blower. It goes zzz, zzz. It hit my first stopping point. I expected this, I just chose to ignore it. My engine stands got bolts for an LS, and LS bolts are Canadian, and Gen 1, Gen 2 small blocks have American threads. So I gotta go to the big orange box store. 6-week prep day 3. Got it as clean as I could yesterday with about 3 coats of purple stuff. It's clean enough to work on. We can break it down and I'll eventually take it to the car wash and let's make a mess. But here's where we're at. 3 hours in and I got the motor almost completely torn down. I couldn't find my balancer puller, so I couldn't get the crank of the cam out. Everything looks good. I'll pull the mic out later and make sure everything's standard before I order parts. One boo-boo though. I let the number 1 piston fall out of the bore. It landed square on my crock and I thought I saved it, but it definitely broke part of the skirt off. So it looks like I'm gonna be buying a piston in addition to the re-ring kit. Idiot. So now I got to order some parts and a lot of cleaning because this thing is 48 years worth of nasty.